In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a branded Shopify dropshipping store from complete scratch. We're going to take a product that we can find on AliExpress for $8 and create a professional and branded Shopify dropshipping store around that product so we can sell it for $30 and make a good profit. This simple store setup will work for any dropshipping product, so feel free to follow along with this video and build your own store for the product you want to sell. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get a free trial for Shopify.
Head over to medixmedia.com Shopify or simply click on the first link down below in the video description.
This will take you to my special Shopify landing page, where, depending on when you watch this, you'll be able to find special offers like an extended trial or a discount price for the first few months of using Shopify. Just type in your email and click on Start Free Trial. We're going to skip all the survey questions to save some time. That will take us into the Shopify dashboard. The first thing I like to do is select a Shopify plan, so let's click on Select a Plan. I'm going to select the monthly payment option and go for the basic plan, which has everything we need for this store. Then we need to add a payment method, and once that's done, we can click on Start Plan. Now, we are still in the free trial, so we will only get charged if we don't cancel our plan within the 14-day free trial period. The next step we're going to do is choose a theme for our store. Let's click on Online Store and go to Themes. Here, we can see that the current theme of our store is the Dawn theme, which is the default one. When we scroll down, we can also find different free themes that we can use. Personally, I like to use the Sense theme. It looks very modern and clean, which is perfect for our branded dropshipping store. So, I'm going to add this one to my store. Once the new theme is installed, we're going to click on Publish, which will activate this theme on our store. The next step is to import our product from AliExpress. We're going to use an app called Deezers to make this very quick and easy. In the video description, you'll find a link to Deezers, and when you click on that link, you'll end up on this page. Click on Try It Free to create your account. Once logged in, click on Shopify, which will take us to the Shopify App Store. Install app to add Deezers to the Shopify store. Here, we're going to go with the free plan and click on Get Started. Then we need to connect Deezers to AliExpress as well, so let's click on AliExpress. Then we can either log into our existing AliExpress account or simply create a new account. Once logged in, we're going to click on Let's Start Importing Products. We're going to skip this tutorial here, and now there's one more step, which is installing the Deezers Chrome extension. So let's go to Home and click on Chrome extension, add it to Chrome, and we're going to pin this extension to our browser by clicking on the little puzzle icon and making sure the pin is blue. Now we have the Deezers Chrome extension right here, so let's click on it and then click on Deezers, which will take us back to their homepage. Click on Login, and that will activate the Chrome extension. Now we're ready to import our product, so we can go to AliExpress and find the product that we want to sell on our store. We're going to click on the button that says Add to Deezers. Now, let's go back to our Deezers dashboard and go to Import List, which will show us our product. Before we add this product to our Shopify store, we're going to click on Edit Product. Under Variants, make sure to only keep the variants that you actually want to sell on your store. Then click Save. Now we can click here to push this product to our Shopify store. Make sure this box is ticked, and then click Push to Shopify. Now when we go back to our Shopify dashboard and go to Products, we should be able to see our imported product. So, let's click on it and make some changes. I'm going to first delete the product title and the description that was imported from AliExpress. So now, we need to come up with a brand name for this product and store. I like to use a site called namelix.com to get some inspiration for brand names. For the product description, we want to spend some time creating good copy, including the main benefits of using this product and also including images or GIFs showing this product in action. Let's click on Add Variant. We want to make sure that each variant is connected to the correct image, so we can click here and select the right image for this variant. Under Pricing, we're going to set the price for this product to make a good profit. To make a good profit, we obviously have to sell at a higher price than what we can get this product for on AliExpress. So, I'm setting the price to $29.99 and at a compare price of $59.99 so that on the product page, it will show that this product is 50% off. I'm going to do that for all the other variants as well. Then, we're going to go back and scroll all the way down to the search engine listing. Here, I'm going to click on Edit and make sure that the URL for our product looks nice and clean, and then we're going to save the changes. Now, let's go and see how our product page looks like on our actual store. So, we're going to go to Online Store and then click on Customize. This will take us to the Shopify store editor where we can make changes to our store design. Let's switch from the home page to the product page right here, and then let's switch from desktop view to mobile view. Most people will be visiting our store from a mobile phone, which is why I like to edit the store on mobile view as well. So here we can see exactly how our product page currently looks like. The first thing I'm going to do here is delete everything we don't need on this page. For the announcement bar, I'm going to change the text to only today, 50% off and free shipping. Then I'm going to scroll down and go to these drop-down menu items. I like to use these for FAQs, product information, instructions, return policy, and so on.
And now, the next very important thing to add to our product page are the product reviews. What we're going to do is simply import real reviews directly from the AliExpress product page, and we're going to use an app called Looks to import those reviews to our Shopify store. You'll find a link to this app down below in the video description. So click on that link, and that will take you to this page here. We're going to click on Install App and then click on Install App. As you can see, Looks is a paid app for Shopify, but they do have a 14-day free trial, which should be enough time to test this store and get our first sales. I'm gonna go with the growth plan because this will allow me to import up to 100 reviews from AliExpress quick and easy approval process. Just click and get started. Now, we also want to create a logo for our store. I like to use a site called canva.com to create simple logos very easily and quickly. They already have tons of logo templates that you can start with and then customize using drag and drop. This is the logo I've quickly created for this store. So I'm going to click on Share and download it as a PNG. As I only have the free version of Canva, I'm using a site called remove.bg to remove the background of the logo. Then, I download the logo with the transparent background. On Shopify, we can simply click on our header and then under Logo Image, we can upload our logo. Here, we can also adjust the size of our logo and then save the changes. Now, on the bottom of our store in the footer, we're going to need to add our store policies like the refund policy, terms of service, and so on. So to add these policies, we're going to go back to the Shopify dashboard and then click on Settings on the bottom left. Then, let's save the changes and close the settings. Now, under Online Store, we're going to go to Navigation. Here, we're going to click on Footer menu, click on Add Menu Item, and then under Link, we're going to go to Policies and add each policy that we have just created before. Once that's done, we're going to click on Save Menu. Now when we click on these three lines here at the top, we can see the navigation menu. To make changes to this menu, we're going to go back to the Shopify dashboard. Then, under Online Store, go to Navigation. Here, we're going to click on Main Menu. Then, I'm going to delete the catalog page and add a new menu item, which is going to be our product page. I'm going to move that right here, click on Save Menu, and that's it for our navigation menu. Now, this is how the URL of our store currently looks, which you obviously want to change to our custom domain. To add a domain, we're going to go to Settings and then click on Domains. If you already have a domain, you can click on Connect Existing Domain and then follow the instructions. But if you don't have a domain yet, you can click on Buy New Domain. Then here, we want to type in our brand name and buy the .com domain. Once we click on Buy Domain and confirm, our store will be automatically connected to this new domain. And that's it for the front-end setup of our store. Now we also need to set up our payment providers and shipping rates. So let's go to the Settings and click on Payments. Here we want to make sure to activate Shopify payments so that customers can check out using a credit card or other methods like Apple Pay or Google Pay. PayPal is activated by default on Shopify. If Shopify payments is not available in your country, you can also use third-party payment providers like Stripe, for example. Then, let's go to Shipping and Delivery. Here we can set up our shipping rates. So let's click on Manage and delete all of the default shipping rates. Then, let's click on Create Shipping Zone, which will define the area where our shipping rate will apply to. Let's create one for the United States. Then, we can add a shipping rate for the new shipping zone. I'm going to simply do free shipping for the US, so I'm going to name it Free Shipping and set the shipping price to 0. Then, when we click on Done, we've set up free shipping for the US. So let's click on Save. And then go to Store Details. Here, we want to make sure to enter our final store name. Also, we want to check our address and contact information and make sure that the store currency is correct. Then, we're going to close the settings. Now, under Online Store, go to Preferences. Here, we're going to type in a home page title and short description. And then we're going to scroll down to Password Protection. In order for our customers to visit our new store, we'll need to remove the password. So we're just going to untick this box and then click on Save. And now our new online store is live and ready to launch. When we get our first sale, we're going to go to our DSource dashboard and click on Open Orders. Now to fulfill the order, we would just have to click on Fulfill Order here on this page and make the payment to make sure the product will be sent directly to the customer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one.